what we are going through and what we must went through. Bakit natin kailangan dumaan and bakit may gantong black box at may gantong procedure ang Rayway. First procedure or first part ng black box na papasukan natin para maging French fries tayong lahat is the NDO. NDO or tinatawag na New Distributor Orientation. Sa NDO, we have several topics that we must learn, that we must adapt, and we must apply for we to become successful. First is we have the two mindset. The two mindset, first is 100% duplication. 100% duplication means that you yourself is duplicable. Duplicable not only in terms of business, but also in the terms of you being a person, being a human. Because, as I believe, and everyone in Rayway believe, hindi ka magiging duplicable kung medyo masama ang ugali natin, di ba? First, we must learn how to, first how to socialize, matuto tayong magpakumbaba, matuto tayong maging duplicable to the point na the person or the people we wanted to invite or we want to be in Rayway with would really follow and duplicate us on our vision, on our mission, and on our goals. And the second, the two mindset is okay. Second in the two mindset, yung una is 100% duplicable or 100% duplication. And second is long-term thinking. Bakit kailangan meron tayong long-term thinking? Long-term thinking, minsan kasi, or madalas, pagdating sa mga nakikilala natin, pag sinabi na lang long-term thinking, hindi naman yan mapapakain ng pang-araw-araw natin. But we dare to redefine that meaning. Because when we have long-term thinking, it is also when we think for our current and we think for our future, not only for us, but for our family, relatives, or loved one. But an example of a long-term thinking is, if you only think ng pangkain mo or panggastos mo pang kinabukasan, minsan hindi natin nakikita na paano yung para sa ngayong araw. And on the other hand, pag lagi natin iniisip ang pang-araw-araw lang natin, nakakalimutan na natin ang pang-kinabukasan. Anong meron at anong nakukonsume mo? Lahat tayo may binabentang isang bagay sa buhay. Alam niyo ba kung ano? It is time. Time ang main currency na ginagamit natin sa buhay. So when we think only for our current, nawawalan na tayo ng para sa kinabukasan natin. Nawawalan na tayo ng security para sa kinabukasan natin, but not only for us, but for our family as well. And that long-term thinking is what we must learn to duplicate sa mga tao natin, sa mga magiging tao natin, at sa future generations pa na gusto nating matulungan, ma-reach, and so on. Then we have the 3 secrets. Ayan, 2 mindset that also comes with you starting to di ba? Sabi nga ng gayo kanina, you must be first 100% duplicable and you must have long-term thinking. And with those 100% duplication and long-term thinking that you have, you must learn how to recommend. And when you recommend and when you invite, you will start to teach them. And when they join you, and when they are already in your team, they will start to follow you. You will start to teach them. You will start to humble them and shape them on how they wanted to have their success to be. And they will become independent to the point na those long-term thinking that you have and 100% duplication that you have will convert or will be converted into a leverage. Pag sinabi natin leverage, it's not just for today, but it's a leverage that would make us more redefined pagdating sa kinabukasan. Then, here, to mindset also with Three-Way is, first, we don't sell. We're not being trained to be salesman, saleswoman, salesperson. We are being trained to be leader. And how do you become a leader? First, you must equip yourself with the tools that we have with Three-Way. We have our simple tools such as videos in YouTube, our website, and even the simple tools that hindi mo mabibili. The tools na nasa sa ating lahat, which is ang utak natin, ang puso natin. We must learn how to understand, we must learn how to adapt, and we must learn how to feel what is needed to be felt and what is needed to be shared, which is hope. Then, meetings. Meetings is important in Three-Way because this meetings is not just a simple meeting. Meeting is what shapes us. Meeting is what bond us. Meeting is what make us a complete package. Just for example, this event that we're having right now, this is a sample of meeting. And sa meeting na to, I'm glad na nagkatipon-tipon tayo, that we get to know each other, and we get to share this kind of opportunity for everyone. So this is an example. Ayan. A type of meeting, this is probably a top leaders meeting. Then we also have this kind of leaders, we have this different kind of things that we must learn in Three-Way. How to be true winner, ABC rule, analyze Three-Way company, how to build a team, cultivate learning good attitude, become a true winner. Andito ngayon sa lahat, nakasulat sa notebook ko. Kasi how it was made because I attended every meeting. I learned everything that I can learn. I adapted everything and I tried to absorb everything that I can learn. To lead, to share, and to be equipped with what I needed to share with. So, yun. Next tayo sa two mindset is 3 secrets. Then, on the 3 secrets, meron tayong mga sikreto. Secret lang muna, syempre. Tsaka nyo na alamin pag decidido na kayo. Then we have this 4 criteria, 5 principles, 6 steps, 7 things. How to achieve Pegasus in 2 years. This is what should everyone na matutunan, marinig, and should be listened to. If you want more details pagdating sa ganyang bagay, we can do that next time, still here in this space that we have, and hoping na mas marami na rin. Since this is how to achieve Pegasus in 2 years. This is something that really gives impact to everyone. Then, how to build depth and building dreams. Siyempre, lahat ng yan, hindi lang yan basta-basta na, okay, attend lang, okay, makikinig lang. Those are the things that must be absorbed, that must be written, and must be taken down for the heart. And along those, we must learn how to have our mindset that keeps us going every day, that keeps us positive every day. Then we have the attitude, a pleasing attitude na kahit yung kaaway natin dyan sa labas ng bahay natin is magiging kaibigan na natin. Those attitude that leads us to a bigger network, to a deeper relationship to anyone in our lives. Then we have these principles na sinusunod natin sa buhay, and these principles that we must learn how to do. Then, and having the direction. This is important part of our Three-Way career, as this direction is what gives us the sight that we are going to. This is like a goal. And this goal is the thing that you wanted to have and achieve in a certain period of time. Kasi I've heard in Three-Way learnings before, may difference ang goal sa dream. Dream can just become a dream if it doesn't have a time. It will only become a goal if it will have a time setting. If it will have a time frame, let's say for sabihin natin by next week, dapat by next week, 7 days from now, doble na tayo dito, triple na tayo dito. That's a goal. And we can just say na next time, sana mas marami na tayo dito. And that's just a dream. Then, next is the habit. So, habit, this is the thing na mahirap. Kasi, bakit mahirap ang habit? We all have habits in ourselves. And we all have these habits na pwede natin sabihin that is good or that is bad habit. Siyempre, those bad habits of ours, it is the things that we must slowly change if we really wanted to have a better future. Then these techniques and standard that we have in Reway. Reway as a standard is on high quality and exquisite operation. Kaya ang Reway, hindi natin yan makukumpara into any other company. Again, why? Because Reway has high standard and high quality operations. Then we have the choices. Again, everything on this, if it's your choice or if it's not your choice, wala rin mangyari. There's a saying na lagi kong naririnig sa office. Pasensya na kung hindi ko pa kaya mag-Chinese accent, pero sasabihin ko na lang. May kasabihan ng mga Chinese na may 4 na klase ng tao. Una, may taong tulog. Natutulog siya sa oras na dumadaan yung opportunity dyan sa harapan niya. Pangalawa, klase ng tao is may klase ng tao na gising, nakita yung opportunity, pero hindi pinansin. Opportunity, wala na. Lumipad na. Then, the third type of person is the one that is awake, sees the opportunity, listens, nakita niya, tinignan niya yung opportunity, but still does not do the thing. Hindi wala rin yung opportunity. Lumagpas lang din. Then the fourth type of person that you will see or you will encounter pagdating sa ganito is the person that is awake, the person that is that listens, the person who sees, and that person who also does this thing. So nakita niya yung opportunity, ginawa niya ng paraan, and ang nangyari dun sa fourth person, that fourth person became successful. So yun ang mga Chinese saying. So we proceed. Kaya nga yung mga event natin sa Reway. Ayan yung Analyze Reway Company, How to Build a Team, Cultivate Good Learning Attitude. This is one of the key points na kailangan natin dito sa Reway. Kailangan natin matutunan kung paano magkaroon ng good and learning attitude. Then, that's where we start. Okay. Welcome, papasok po. Then, again, sa mga shinare ko kanina, kasama sa ating procedure is pag-attend sa leadership training seminar. Kasama sa mga procedure natin is pag-attend sa ganitong klaseng leadership training seminar. Kasi ang ganitong klaseng leadership training seminar is a type of seminar that shapes us who we are, that makes us who we are, and that what makes us a better version of ourselves. Then, here in Reway, kung bakit hindi lang tayo basta-basta or hindi tayo comparable into other companies, is we have this type of leaders recognition night in which I am also inviting everyone for this June 29. We will have our leaders recognition night in World Trade Center for everyone to see, for everyone to witness how big and how grand Reway is and how Reway is not comparable to any others. So, sa Leaders Recognition Night, makikita natin ang iba't ibang klase ng tao from all walks of life doing Reway. Mayroong mga taong started negative, may mga taong nag-start ng may utang, may mga taong start ng may kaya, and even may mga tao sa Reway na who already have money and who doesn't even need to work anymore, but they are still doing Reway for what reason? They're still doing Reway for the reason that they wanted this to share and reach many people pa bukod doon, it is also to, make a better future for their children, for their kids, as we know it. If na-share na rin sa inyo, I will just reiterate, ang business natin dito sa Riway is napapass down at pwedeng manahin ng mga anak-anak natin, ng mga apo-apo natin. So that's why in Riway may kita natin. Kung mapapansin natin, if nakakarating na rin kayo sa office, if nakarating na rin kayo sa mga seminars natin na mas malalaki, mas maraming tao, mapapansin nyo na bakit mas maraming senior citizen? Bakit mas maraming matatanda? Kasi, those senior citizens, those matatanda, or those we call the senior with teenagers ability, teenagers energy, is still pushing to have a better future. Sila yung mga tao na may pangarap pa. Hindi lang para sa sarili nila, kundi para sa mga anak nila at apo nila, and they're still trying to fight for their lives. Kasi, as we know it, sabi nga nila, life is too short. Oo, life can be short if we didn't have and get the chance to enjoy it. Life can be too short if we didn't live out the life that we wanted to have. So, that's for the Leaders Recognition Night. Then we have this Team Supreme Nights. This Team Supreme Nights is a type of event na ina-attenda ng mga supreme leaders na natin here in Riway, in which they have already reached and helped thousands or millions of people around the globe already. So, ayan. Team Supreme Night, Pegasus Night, and also we have this Top Leaders Meeting. Why Top Leaders Meeting is part of procedure? Kasi, on this procedure nga, like sinabi ko kanina, procedure is what makes us connected, and procedure is what makes us whole. And this type of Top Leaders Meeting is what connects everyone. Diba? This type of meetings, Top Leaders Meeting, is what makes everyone share their ideas, collaborate each other, and help each other out. Because that's what we do in Riway. We share and we help each other. So yun, pagdating rin sa procedure, we must all have, or we must know how to do OPP, or the product opportunity, kasi hindi natin magagawang i-share what we wanted to share if hindi natin alam or hindi natin ganun kakabisado kung paano natin i-share. Kung may mga tanong sila, if they have questions left unanswered, they will start, have doubts and all. And I don't know if meron pa rin nito. In Riway, we also have training seminars in CDs, compact discs like this. And we have these events. Training seminar. We also have our magazine. If may mga data kayo ngayon sa cellphone nyo, pwede nyo buksan yung Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search nyo lang Riway Magazine, may lalabas dyan. This Riway Magazine contains everything about Riway that you can enjoy, that you can share, and that you can learn. Ayan ang different events. Meron sa Malaysia, Indonesia, Tokyo, Thailand, Hungary, Hong Kong, Tokyo again, and Manila, Philippines. And then, this is something that we must also learn in Riway. We have the plan, the 6 P's that we are doing now, the plan, potential, product, procedure, people, platform, and we also have, syempre, how to do closing, how to build a team, and how to become a true winner. True winner na hindi lang masasabi sa ating ibang tao, kundi true winner na tayo sa sarili natin that we achieve something righteous. We achieve something na bukal sa loob natin nang wala tayong ibang nasasaktan or kinatapang ang ibang tao. And this is our CEO, Dr. Lim Boon Hong, a Singaporean man who started 21, he started when he was 21 years old. So, this is the end for the procedure, and before I pass down the mic, I would just like to share na doing Riway is literally for everyone. Kasi as for me, who've only been here for 7 months, 7 to 8 months. I've overcome a lot of changes already. Siguro if last year nyo ako nakilala, hindi nyo ako makikita or maririnig sa salita ng ganito at wala akong mukha. I mean, I just want to say na me, personally, going through the procedure of Freeway has done a lot of something na sa akin. Me who needs to go through that whole black box, a lot of pain, a lot of struggle, a lot of things that I must learn, I must need to relearn, and I must adapt. Kasi, you know, when we are going to do Freeway, we must learn how to empty our cup. And once we empty our cup, that is only when we can fill our cup for something that we see ourselves and for something that we want it to be. So that would be all for the procedure. Thank you very much.